Oh, Scratchers! And today we are doing some new levels and jump pads. This is episode 5 of the platformer, and let's begin. Okay, so guys, the first thing we want to do is we actually, want to make some costumes. So as we can see what we have now, we have a good fin here. As you can see, we have a good fin. Now, temporarily, I'm going to disable the killing mechanism for the spikes. So go to obstacles and remove this if touching player and this if touching player too. So now we won't die. We will add that back in the end. It just makes it a bit easier. Now, as you can see, we made this level. Now, the first thing I want to do is make this purple fin, do something. Because this really just standing there. So we needed to do something. And that's pretty simple. Go to our obstacle 2 spikes. And this has no code in it. So let's code some stuff in it. So when green flag clicked, we want it to go here. But we want to hide it so we don't actively see it yet. Now, our forever loop will do wonders here. We'll also follow that with an if statement. Now, if we are touching, if operators equals, so this means if something equals that value, then we do whatever is in the if statement. So if our variable level equals 2, we want to show this block, but we also want to change our x too. So change x by, let's see, change x by 6. -6. And an if we are touching the player, broadcast depth. So if I'm gonna put it here inside this if statement. If touching player, broadcast depth from events. Okay, so now if I run the project, we don't have it. As you see, it's all X actually, guys. It's change Y. It's so actually, guys, it's changed a bit. It's actually changed Y by -6, not changed X. So now we should have success. And as you see, that's good. I might just change this to -3 though. Now our player is a bit slow. So we need to make it a bit faster. So yeah. So the first thing you want to do is make a speed variable. We want actually to show this variable. I'm going to put it over here. And we want to make it a slider. So we now can change the change the speed. So we need to set speed to, let's go 6. And in here, we want to change x by speed, but if we go negative, we want to change x by join, negative symbol, by speed. So now, as you can see, we're going pretty slow, but if I increase this, now as you can see, we are going really fast. Now, Now this is going to be used for our boost pads later, but let's make another level. So where is that fin? Here. So if x position is bigger than 211, we do that. But if our level already equals to 2, then we want to set it to 3. If level already equals 2, set level to 3. Okay, so now we have this. Now maybe we make another obstacle. So let's make a new sprite. Call it obstacle, guessed it guys, 4. So we have obstacle 4. Let me just make a time lapse of me making it. Time lapse starts now. Okay guys, I have made it. It's gonna be lava. So you can name it right here, lava. Okay, so it's gonna be lava. So that's pretty good. Now I want it to be on the 3rd level. So I'm gonna position it to be right here. So when green flag clicked, we want to go to our active position, which is, in this case, minus 43 and minus 26. We can stop the project. So here, we want to hide it. And then you guys know the drill. Forever, if level equals 3, if level does equal 3, then you guys want to show, that's the first thing you want to do, we have it visible, and you want to go if touching player, you know the drill, broadcast death. Okay, so let's test that out. Wait, what level is it? Level 3? Maybe put this in the else block. There we go. Fixed. We definitely need a recent speed. And that will get us through. There we go. Now you want to go to obstacle 2. So one more thing I want to do before we go on to the boost pads is this. If level equals 3, then we want to quickly and easily hide the block. So before we move on to the next session, make sure you save the project. And guys, since it's the middle of the video, I would recommend you guys like and subscribe. It really helps me out, also helps you out, so I can make better videos. Now, let's move on to the next section, which is speed pads and jump pads. Okay, so this is the next section of the tutorial. So now we're going to make some speed pads and you guessed it, some jump pads. So the first thing you want to do is make a new sprite and name it pads. Now you want to name this first sprite. I'm going to do the speed pad as we made a variable last section. Enter. And I have just finished the speed pad. Now I want this to be on level 1. Okay? Really important, level 1. Now I'm going to make it go just a bit on the ground but a bit in the ground. So when green flag clicked, obviously, we want to go to this position. Oh, we also want to show in the looked category. Then we should have a working block. As you can see, we have a good block. Now, what we want to do, sorry, I just got bitten by mosquitoes. We want to make this work. So how we're going to do that is we need a forever loop. Forever control. Now if we are touching the player, then we want to make our speed a bit higher. And we already made a speed variable last episode. So let's make it 15 if we're on the speed pad. Now I don't know. Yeah, we still don't die from obstacles. As you see, our speed is there. But then we wait. Let's make this a 3 seconds effect before we set speed back to 6. Okay, so you have that done and we have a speed pad. But what about jump pad? Well, duplicate this sprite, make it jump pad. And then you want to make this red. And we have our jump pad. Now I want to make a switch costume to speed pad when we first start off. Because, yeah. So we have this as our speed pad. But we will make a jump pad, you remember it. So, you guys already know what I'm going to do. Create clone of myself. And then when I start as a clone, we want to go to a totally new position. So press play, pause it, and then go here. And that is 106 minus 16. So if I normally play this, there we go. But we also want to switch our costume to a jump pad, you remember that? And we want to duplicate this, but the speed, now we want to keep our wait 3 seconds block, but delete the speed. So we need a new variable for this. Name it jump power. For sprites. So hide jump power. You want to go to our player sprite here. So where's our jump key? There it is. So what we have here is shade wide by minus 60, and you know. So So we want to set jump power to 60. And then here you want to put jump power here, but there you want to put a join from operators, join negative symbol by jump power. So now we have this all here. So we want to change the jump power if we're well touching it. Pads. So if we want to set jump power if we touch it, set jump power to 90. And then set jump power back to 60. Okay, so let's test this out. So if I jump on this, I'm not sure if our jump power will change. You have a bit of a bug, guys. Where is it? Here. Seconds. Oh yeah, we're waiting gravity seconds. Which wait. Only going down that much. Negative 60. There, negative 60. Bit of a bug. Nice. Negative 3 seconds. It might fix it. Oh yeah, we're making it a bit too fast. I know, guys, go back to pads. You're gonna wait a bit longer. And then now, when it's starting. And now I think we have something. Yep, we do. Okay, scratchers. That's going to be the end of the episode. If you liked the tutorial, please like and subscribe. I really enjoy it. Hope you liked it. And I'll see you next time, guys. Goodbye, scratchers.